Hi everybody, I'm Jen, for those of you who don't know me, and I am renovating a property at the moment. I am now at flooring stage, so I wanted to do a quick video all about luxury vinyl tile flooring that can be laid in a herringbone pattern. Now, for those of you who are on a budget, like me, I have done a little bit of research and hopefully saved you a bit of time, because this video is all about ranking on price the different ranges of luxury vinyl tile. So I'm hoping that this video will save you a bit of time when it comes to searching for floor, because you can actually then look at what is available in your budget. So I hope it helps. Here goes. Okay, so as I was saying at the start of the video, I am going to do just a quick video, I hope I can do it quick and stop waffling, about luxury vinyl tile flooring. Now, I personally have got a limited budget, so I can't just pick any old floor. They all come in at different prices. So what I thought I'd do is a quick video to show you what's ranked quite high, and then what's kind of middle range that I'm hoping that are within your budget, and then what is kind of the cheapest range. This may or may not help you in terms of your search for your home, but I am really hoping that it might just give you a little bit of time back, because I've already spent months staring at screens and ordering samples. So to kind of kick off, the most expensive flooring that I found in the LVT ranges for herringbone patterns, which is what I would like to do. There aren't loads of options. Please create some more, Antico people, and Condine for that matter. But the highest rank that I have found in the floor that I like, which is, well, this is Savannah Oak. This is the Art Select range. This is coming in as the most expensive tile. Then next up is one that might not be familiar to you all, but it's the Invictus range. Now that colour is the New England oak in sand, can be laid in herringbone. I think all of these can be, I hope. But this is actually quite expensive, so that killed that dream. So then next up we have the Antico Van Gogh range. And now this is obviously still quite expensive per square metre, but they do a lovely beveled edges, and it is a nice floor, but for the purpose of where I'm trying to put it, I just don't think I'm going in the bedrooms, and I just don't think for the cost and the traffic and stuff like that, that it warrants it for me personally. So that's your next Van Gogh range. That is grey brushstroke, if you're interested. And then there's a couple of next layers. Condine Da Vinci is the sort of one that ranks a little bit lower than Van Gogh. And then you've got Antico Spacia. Now, I don't have an Antico Spacia sample. I am waiting for them to come in the post, because I think this range is where actually now it might become affordable to do so, but we shall wait and see. I think the one that I like in the Antico Spacia is the sun-bleached oak that can be laid in herringbone. And then next up then I think is Cars. I don't have a sample for that one, but I believe that one is quite a good one, that is competitive, shall we say. And then next up, which I think a lot of people have, is Condine Night Tile. Now this colour is rose washed oak, and this is the one that I'm going to have laid downstairs. I've got 70 square metres to go with it, which is why I quite like that it's in the cheaper section. But most people go for the night tile, or I've seen a lot of people for the night tile, and I think it's really lovely. So that kind of just gives you an idea of where night tile ranks versus some of the more expensive ranges. And then I've also come across, in my hunt for flooring, a company called Project Floors and a company called Moduleo. Now, Project Floors is a little bit cheaper than the night tile range, if this is of interest. And Moduleo have got some fab colours. They're ranked even lower in price, not necessarily in floor, because these are all really, really good LVT floors, I want to just add. But Moduleo, this is Blackjack Oak 22220, and that is Moduleo. So this one is the one that I think I'm going to go for in my bedrooms, where in the loft and in this bedroom that I'm in at the moment, purely just because it is a cheaper floor. But I think for bedrooms and stuff like, even for downstairs, having said that, when you've got so many square meters, it mounts up, let me tell you. And then finally, and again, it's still a good floor, you've got polyfloor. So just in summary, Cardine Art Select is at the highest sort of expense, then Invictus, then Amtico Van Gogh, Cardine Da Vinci, Amtico Spacia, Cars, Cardine Night Tile, Project Floors, Moduleo, and Polyfloor. So hope that's helped and saved you months back in your life when it comes to searching for floors, and hopefully you can maybe search by range as opposed to just, God, going as mental as me. So if you have liked this video and want to see more from me or whatever, then please like, subscribe, or even follow us on Instagram, The House That Jen Built. Bye for now.